up, Goofy Gang? What's the word? This, that, and the third. This is a multi-dimensional channel hosted by a multi-dimensional being. If you are not part of the Goofy Gang, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. Okay, so if it is brand new, oh my gosh, it's me. Today's video is gonna be a review on this crochet lock hair, y'all. Okay, this is crochet hair. This was last minute. I actually had plans on doing the crochet mambo twist that I've done before. I'll insert a picture, but I went to Beauty Supply and they didn't have what I was looking for. So like last minute, within the last 30 minutes of the Beauty Supply being open, I just had to like make something shake and find an alternative. And I was like, you know what, I never tried locks, and let's just do something new. Let's just try something different. And I was a little iffy because I didn't want to do black. I didn't want to be basic. So I was like, let me try a little bit of color, but I ain't never did this color before. And I was like, I don't know how this is gonna go, but apparently, ooh, I'm feeling like Beyonce. I'm feeling like the lead of the group. I'm feeling like front and center. She's the one. That is me. The hair that I'm using, Mayde Beauty Braid, and it's 16 inches of Guyssss locks, okay? Wavy Island gorgeous, I'm sorry, not Guyssss locks, gorgeous locks. And that is exactly what this hair is. This hair is giving me locks, but it's girly. I just want to talk to you guys about the hair as this is a review. This is what they claim. They claim that the hair is lightweight, okay, natural texture, easy to crochet, and pre-loop to save time. All of these things are true. The hair is pretty lightweight. Does this prove the lightweightness? I don't know. But it's pretty lightweight, like it's not heavy at all. I don't know how it's gonna be when I go to sleep because this is day one. So far, so good. Natural texture, it feels really soft. And I don't know if it's just the syntheticness of the hair. I did feel a few crochets like kind of sticking together. See, they're kind of, locks are, because I never had locks. Like, do they just kind of, not stick together, but like, they be friends. You know what I'm saying? Like, do they just be friends or do they be separate? Easy to crochet. I will say this hair was very easy to crochet. Actually, the easiest hair I've ever done with crochet. I finished this whole style in under an hour, like 35-40 minutes. So I will say it was really easy to crochet. Didn't have no issues there. Pretty straightforward. Like, as long as you know how to crochet, like, you could do this style. Pre-loop to save time, yes, that is true. So yeah, this is the hair. If you like this hair, like if you want to try it, they got so many different colors. And I mean, they have all black, they got different, they have red at the bottom, they got a darker brown. I don't know about blonde. This might be the lightest it goes, but this is definitely giving me island sing, baby. Where's my coconut with a straw? I just thought I would just show y'all some cute little quick styles. So let's just get started. I'm actually wearing style number 1, and this is my favorite, okay? Like, this is so girly. So I just did the half up, half down, but there's a trick to it. You gotta do, like, you gotta leave a few. Like, you didn't really try, but you did. Okay, half up, half down, you know what I'm saying? Up. And then with a few hanging in the front, okay? And then, yeah, so style number 1. Ooh, where are you going? Ooh, to the store. Ooh, for groceries. Ooh, I'm so bad at being cute and sexy and anything attractive. Let's move on to style number 2. Style number 2 is a variation of style number 1. So style number 2 is like, you know what I'm saying? Oh, 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 oh. Oh! Style number 3 is Dijonais. BRB. Hairstyle number 3 was a workout, but we finally got it. you know what I'm saying, ponytail vibes. And not a regular ponytail, but more like the ponytail that Trixie, I think her name is Trixie, off of Fairly Odd Parents. I don't know, somebody got this hairstyle where, I don't know, or maybe it's like Alien Girl, I don't know, but I think it's kind of cute. So style number 3. Style number 4. Style number 4 is a style that when you have an urban black protective style, but you want to be sophisticated, but you want to wear it to the corporate office. Like, this is what you do. Sophisticated. Sophisticated number 4. Okay, I'm feeling like a business woman. Like, I'm about my bag. We're on the way. Clocking in. Okay, so yeah. This is number 4. Ooh, kill him. Ooh, yes. Style number 5 is just the way we wake up. No effort, you know what I'm saying? A true protective style where we don't gotta do nothing. We just come as we are as we are. Just a little regular, schmegular, degular. Yeah, it's basic. It's like, these are my real locks, not my fake locks. And number 6. What else can we do? Number 6. Oh, okay, y'all ready? Number 5. Number 6. Number 6 looks stupid. Bruh. And you hit them with the number 7. Woo! Number 7. Which is a variety of number 6, but this is number 7 and it's way different. It's not the same. And you can hit them with the... Huh? Number 7. Quick little video, you know what I'm saying? Homegirl did the crochets and homegirl is feeling them, and I just thought I'd show you guys the hair. I'm pleased with the hair. I hope it doesn't fail me. I plan on keeping them in for like 2 to 3 weeks. We're really gonna try, because y'all know that I'm terrible at keeping protective styles in for longer than like a week. But we're gonna make it work. We're gonna run these vibes, this gorgeous locks. Make me feel like a bohemian queen, like I should be on the beach somewhere, but I'm not. So we're just gonna imagine. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're looking for a protective style, make sure you check out the hair. Link will be in the description below. I got you, sis. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.